Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my this video tutorial, I will tell you how you can install any unknown source app in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite and CE2 Lite 5G. So if in this device you want to download or install any unknown sourced app, or if you want to enable the unknown sourced app installation, you can do this by the methods I will show you in my this video tutorial. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now just follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will learn how you can install any unknown sourced app in your device. Let's watch it.